Welcome back to It Started with Sawdust, and in this episode we gonna handle our brand new Makita's guide rail. Here we go, and this time, we've bought the European version of the American 55-inch rail. So in that case, the European rail comes with 59 inches in length. And other than that, the part number is different. Made in China. It's time to get that rail ready to play in traffic. We need to trim the rubber splinter guard, and the waste material can help us to do so. We take the Makita 36-volt DHS 900 for the job. Oh look, never touched by a blade. Time to change that. A shallow cut will do it. That kind of saw doesn't require an adapter. That's sweet. Let's take a peek on how we did it. Looks pretty solid. Time to move on. For most of the other circular saws out there, you need to get an adapter like the one you see here for the HS7601. And like all adapters and like the table of the DHS 900, you can lock the saw for bevel cuts. That prevents the saw from falling off the rail. This guide rail is the new trusty companion in our shop. We may buy some extensions for the 59-inch rail soon. Besides that, we continue to produce more videos, so stay tuned for more.